Okay, so that was a bad 0 to 60, man. I'm trying to do 0 to 60s. Okay, so like what I'm doing is I'm not fully depressing the pedal, man. I'm going halfway. I just gotta fucking fully depress it. Fuck it. Because I'm trying to stop myself from spinning, but also, you know, give me a, you know, get a good launch and shit, but dang. It sucks, man. And when this dude waited until I came all the way up here to get over. That sucks. Get over. Let me see. See if I can do it again. Let me see. Where can I do it again? Where can I do it again? And it's just some little app I downloaded from what is it called? The App Store. Sure, just not. Well, actually, it is a spot up where I can do it at. I can do it up here. Let me see. This might be a good spot. I'ma just fully depress it. I'ma just do it. I'ma just depress it, try to get me a good launch, and then I'ma just pull it from there on moving forward. I'ma just keep pulling. Shit, fuck it. Damn, it's 8 seconds. It's crazy. You know, it's hard to do it when you just when you're the one trying to time yourself. And I think it is probably a little delayed too on this one. 18.95. Shoot. So we're gonna ride up here, and then I'm gonna turn around too, but shoot, I gotta see, man. I gotta see. Let's see. Hopefully I get a good, nice stretch up here. I think I do. Because I'm about to stop, and then I'm gonna reset it. Oh, let me see. Should I go over here or up here? Let me see. We'll just go this way. Because I think we got a good long piece of road up here that we could do it on. If I'm not mistaken. I ain't been this way in a minute. So let's just go ahead and check and see. And then we're gonna bust a UE. Moving back towards this way. But this is actually where I did my first pull ever in my first car. You know, because most time I wasn't like stepping on it, but that was the first time I actually stepped on it when I came over here. So there's a little bit of nostalgia. Look, let me stop away. A little bit of nostalgia. But let's see if we can get the 0 to 60 right. Actually, I might do the 0 to 60 when I'm going back towards that way. Just try to dodge the police a little bit. Yeah, shoot, hopefully they don't catch me, man. They don't get your boy. They don't get your boy. Boy. Sorry, I had to hit that little tune. Yeah, I might do it on the way back. Might do it on the way back to you, baby. Trying to find my way back to you, baby. Entering St. Charles County. This is St. Charles? What? Man, I could have sworn this was Illinois right here. Hey, you gonna be St. Charles, Illinois County. Ooh, yeah, there it is, right up here. The thing is, though, I don't know if the police is up here or not. That's the bad part. The bad part. And then people constantly pulling out too, so I don't even know, man. I feel like this is a good, nice piece of road right here. But somebody coming up from behind me. Shoot, bro. That's the bad part, man. When you find you a nice little piece of road, that's when people start. Oh, actually, wait a minute. We can do it over here, actually. Let me stop. We might be able to get it right here. We might be able to get it right here. Hood drive. Hood. In the hood, but hood. I'm so hood. What y'all know about that song, man? And I know it's been a minute though, but how everybody doing though, man? You know, it's been a minute. I ain't been posting as much as I need to be posting, but you know, and I think this is a solid spot right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right here. Then we're gonna go back, bust a right. And then we're about to go ahead and head back to where we belong, buddy. Because man, it's hard to find a good spot to, you know, to beat on your car, man. You know what I'm saying? Because shoot, police be everywhere. They don't want you to do this. They don't want you to do that. Can I do what I want to do with my vehicle, please? And then the track, I don't even know where the track is. It's probably not too far away, but you know, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Well, I do want to do it, but you know, I just have to see. I just got to check into all that. At the end of the day, this isn't a track car. This is not a track car. This is not a track car. All right, this is a little uneven, but fuck it. Let's see. See, bam. Let me raise down the window too so I can hear this thing. Let me turn off this. Let me see.